Model replaces Sangoma S500. 4 SIP accounts. Full duplex speaker phone. 3.5-inch full-color display. 28 programmable soft keys. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing value for a full-feature IP phone. I bought this to upgrade from my Sangoma S205 IP phone. This is a large leap forward in features and capability. I've been working from home more and prefer the normal desk phone with wireless headset. This phone is an amazing value. It is solidly built and when used with Sangoma's FreePBX software is very easy to set up. I've spent a few hours on the phone with customers since it was delivered and have not had a moment's trouble with calls on the device. I have mainly used my Plantronics headset with the Sangoma EHS30 Adapter, sold separately, but the voice quality is phenomenal on head or handset. I would highly recommend small businesses evaluate this phone system for their VoIP needs. I would doubly recommend this system for businesses with remote workers as these Sangoma phones are a perfect solution for remote employees.